Can you tell? A council with 8 departments. Ashtapradhan Mandal. Baiji Naik was the head of this department. Intelligence Department. The sea fort built by Maharaj near Malvan, Sindhudurga. He looked after the war materials on the fort. Karkhanis. Write about it in your own words. Shivaji Maharaj's policy regarding agriculture. Shivaji Maharaj entrusted the responsibility of organizing the land revenue system to his capable and experienced office bearer Annaji Datto. He warned the officers that they should not collect more revenue than the amount that was fixed. He encouraged peasants to bring uncultivated land under cultivation. If the crop was lost due to excessive rains or drought, or if an enemy army had devastated the area of the village, remissions were granted in land revenue and other taxes. Maharaj had instructed his officers to provide peasants with bullocks' plows and good seeds for sowing. Shivaji Maharaj, a ruler concerned about the welfare of his subjects. Maharaj did not work only with the limited ambition of conquering enemy territories and establishing dominance like other things. His main objective was to make his subjects independent. He was aware that if his subjects were to really get the joy of freedom, it was necessary to have a disciplined administration, take comprehensive care of people's welfare, and protect the conquered territories. Maharaj was not merely a ruler, he was a watchful administrator who cared for his people's welfare. This is clearly seen in his administration of the state. Few reasons. Shivaji Maharaj established the Council of 8 Ministers. To ensure the smooth management of the affairs of the Swaraj and to ensure people's welfare, Shivaji Maharaj set up an efficient administration. Therefore, Shivaji Maharaj established the Council of 8 Ministers, that is, Ashtapradhan Mandal. Shivaji Maharaj raised the navy. Enemies on the west coast of India, the Portuguese of Goa, the Siddhi of Janjira, and the British factors of Surat and Rajapur created obstacles in the work of expanding the Swaraj. It was necessary to curb their activities and to protect the west coast. For this purpose, Maharaj raised a navy. Complete the chart. Military organization. Infantry, Havaldar, Jumledar. Cavalry, Shiledar, Bargir. Answer the following questions. State the names of the 3 armed forces: the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, the Indian Air Force. What is the designation of the head of each forces? The Indian Army, General; the Indian Navy, Admiral; the Indian Air Force, Air Chief Marshal. Who is the head of all the 3 forces? The President of India is the head of all the 3 forces.